your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Oh, everybody's having a great Monday. Oh, you know, everybody was able to accomplish whatever it is they wanted to accomplish today for the start off their week. But y'all already know by the thumbnail, y'all see it, man. We're doing a tip video today, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all some tips on how to keep your shoe boxes neat, and you know, everybody ain't gotta rock with drop fronts, y'all. So if y'all new to the channel, it's y'all first time rocking out with your boy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join the Sneaker Dungeon family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated, and it does not go unnoticed. We are on the race to 10,000 subscribers, y'all. Let's try to get this video right here up to 50 likes. Hit it, splash it, and whatever it is you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best. Because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, is that you gave your best. You dig? And drop a comment below and let me know if these tips might have been helpful for y'all. Let's get straight to it. So before we get into how to do the labels, the biggest tip is keeping it neat as well, which the labels keep them neat so you know what sneaker that you about to pull from the box. But you want to make sure you got some racks or something that you can stack your shoes on so that you're not trying to feel like you're pulling from a mountain and shoes can fall on you. Not only can the shoes follow you, but you can destroy the shoe boxes, y'all. And I have a couple pairs of shoe boxes that have been destroyed, and you know, that's not really what I want to do. I want to keep my boxes. So hence why I would say get you some racks. I'll put a little clip right here, a picture of a screenshot of some racks. Now, like I said, these racks right here, I purchased off of Amazon. I got them for like 52 bucks for 2 racks, and they're easy, very easy to assemble and everything. I'm not sure how much they're going for now. I actually purchased these off of Amazon.de in Germany when I lived in Germany. So, I mean, I'm gonna still give you guys a screenshot for an example so you guys can see, because I'm actually right now looking for some new racks because I am running out of room. I have shoes on the floor and I still have shoes in the garage that I'd like to put on the shelves now. So let's go ahead and get into the next. So y'all, to start this video off, y'all, we're gonna just get right to it. This video is not gonna be that long today for y'all, but we're talking about the boxes, y'all. And as y'all see on my boxes, I have the labels of my Jordans on there. No matter if it's a Van, Jordan, whatever it is, I have that label on there. Now I'm gonna give you guys a couple tips on how to save some money, and you don't have to worry about going out spending buku money to do this. You can do it for pretty much like I'm gonna run it down and I'm gonna give y'all these tips. But pretty much, man, I can do it for free, or you can go to the library and you can do it as well. So tip number 1 is what you guys gonna have to do is, first off, StockX, y'all. StockX, Flight Club, Foot Locker, all of those different type of sites that sell shoes, that have shoe pictures on them. You can literally just go over there and copy the shoe and save it to a desktop. That's what I do, y'all. So I go over, I copy the shoe, save it to the desktop of my computer, or wherever it is that I want to print at, y'all, and then I just print it out, man. I use a Word document, and all I do is just line them up, so you have about 10 shoes to a piece of paper. That right there saves you a lot of money. You don't have to worry about having to pay. I don't even know how much the drop fronts are, y'all, but I know for the price that you're paying for drop fronts, you can do this if you guys like the boxes, and I'm gonna show you guys how clean it looks as well. And I'm gonna show you another way that you can do it. So some things that you might need that might cost you a little bit of money. Some tape, y'all. That's it. All you need is some tape. You need some tape and a picture. So this is simply just a printout, and I've cut it out. Sometimes I use a little thing to cut up a whole bunch of them out if I have them, and they come out like this. And the other way that you can do it is like this, y'all. So as y'all see, when I went down to North Carolina for All-Star Weekend, I got this sticker from the pop-up shop for the House of Hoops. So I ended up using this sticker instead of using my printout that I already had out for my Turbo Greens. So you see, you guys can buy these stickers. There are places on Instagram, there's numerous places that sell these, and this is clean, but hey, I'm trying to save a buck, man. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not trying to spend all my money on like little accessories and shit for the sneaker dungeon, but I could be spending that money on a kick. You feel me? So I had to go ahead and say that this is how I do it, man. Just a nice little clean cutout, and that one's a little bit crooked, but as y'all see, I do it for all of them, man. And I'm gonna flip the camera around for y'all so y'all can just see. But these are the 2 ways that you can save a lot of money with sneaker boxes. If you don't want to get rid of your shoes and put them inside of the drop fronts, you can just save them by doing this, man. For real, this is very easy, very simple, and it's I mean, if you do it at the library, sometimes the library might charge you like 10 cents, 20 cents tops, maybe a quarter for printing out in color. I know they charge 10 cents where I'm at, and they don't care if you print in color or not, if you do not own a color printer at home. Me personally, I don't have a printer, but I do have a computer, but I just print them off, you know, at work, or either I can print them off at the library, save some money. Work is free for me, you know, anything that'll save. But that's one of the ways that you can do it. And then all you have to do is just take the tape, like that right there. And y'all, simple. You just fold that tape around. I know y'all probably thinking like, man, Retro, you doing a retarded video right now, man. But I had another video that I was doing today, but somebody asked me about this in my DM on IG, and I was like, man, I want to tell people about this because it's simple. And boom, you just apply the tape on there, slap, and I'll show y'all right now how different boxes I apply them differently, which you can choose on your own how you want to do it. Let's go ahead and take a little look around the dungeon. All right, y'all. So as y'all see right here, you guys can kind of see I have all of them, you know, matching up, lined up. All of them are normally in the same spots on the shoes. As you see right here, I decided to do the double because this is the homage to home. And I did the same thing right here on the Complex Con top 3s because I have the gold toes, and just moving around. Like I said, I don't just do it all for just the Jordans. I do it for Chucks, I do it for Vans, I do it for any shoe in the collection gets this type of effect. So y'all let me know if y'all are rocking with this. This is something that you would possibly do to your shoes. I think it's actually a very dope way of doing it. Some of them have, you know, gotten a little messed up over time, but it's too easy to just print it right back off, saving you some money. Or if you decide to go with that clean cut and have that cutout, you can pay that little extra bit of money, you can get the clean cutout. But me personally, I think that this right here is just a tip saving strategy for everyone that doesn't want to move to drop fronts and just wants to keep their stuff in their boxes. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that, man. And maybe this helps people see how I've been saving money and not having to pay for that type of stuff. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I gave you guys 2 different ways to label your sneaker boxes to keep them in order. As y'all see, you can go buy the clean cutouts, which, I mean, it can get kind of pricey depending on how much your collection, how many shoes you got in your collection. Or you can be like me, save that money, and you can just go ahead and print the shoe out in color and boom, apply that tape, and there you go. If this your first time rocking out with your boy DaRetroWizKid, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, man. All the love and support is greatly appreciated. We're on the race to 10K, 4K right around the way. Y'all already know how we rocking, man. If y'all haven't yet, head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, posting them pictures for y'all. Over on Twitter at Wiz_retro, and I do follow back. And don't forget to splat that like button over there on Facebook at DaRetroWizKid. I love y'all, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in and rocking out with your boy like always. And I'm going to catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. Get it!